Okay. So I've completed the letters and numbers. Now, just so to be clear, let me open up something and show you guys what I mean by the keyboard, the different parts of the keyboard we're going to hit for those letters and numbers. Okay, so check it out. So we're doing all, follow my cursor. I'm doing all the numbers up here. Then I'm hitting all these symbols here. All right. Then I'm going to hold down the shift button and do the same thing again. So you're going to hit all the same buttons, and that shift is going to give me that exclamation point, the at symbol, the number symbol, dollar symbol, all the way, all these symbols up here, and then all the top symbols here. Okay. So that's what I mean. You're going to hit all of them without the shift button, and then you're gonna hold down shift button and hit all the same ones again. And that's how you get these right here. And I've got some nice variety in my fonts. For the numbers, cool display font that did have all the symbols. Notice that I'm doing a nice job organizing the space, because this does fill up, should fill up almost the entire space, the entire page. So I've very neatly stacked these on top of each other, so I have enough room for my final set, which is my uppercase. All right, so I'm going to do another text layer, a new one. Now I'm going to hold down shift and do the alphabet again. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right. This is a kind of a scripty font, real big. You'll notice with the uppercase ones, the font sizes are going to be a lot smaller for these. Now I don't think I'm going to use Windsong for that. I'm not really feeling that one, so maybe I'll switch to something else. Let's see what else we got here. Actually, looks fun. Let's do this one. All right, so that one's a lot smaller, so I'm going to bump this up. Maybe go 175 feels like a good number for a lot of these. I could probably go up to about 190 for this. There we go. Oh, interesting. Hmm. Actually, you notice that that's still kind of lowercase, even though I did the held down the shift. So I'm going to switch that because we do want these to be uppercase. So let's find a different one. How about 00? There we go. That's a crazy fun font. So I'm going to go ahead and make this one a little bit smaller, probably 175. And then I'm going to go through the same exercise again of duplicating these layers. I'm just right clicking, duplicating layer, pulling it up, highlight it, find a new one. That's a cool display font. Okay, I like that display font, but notice how it came in lowercase, so I'm not going to use it. There's some fonts that are all default to just being uppercase, and some that will just stay lowercase. This is a nice kind of thin. That's great. I love that font. I love how thin and slick it looks. Let's make this one. We'll go right to 150 on this, and that's going to fit. Amazing. You can, you look through here, I have lots of different fonts. I have lots of variety, and that's the name of this game. Give yourself variety. Duplicate this layer, pull it up, and then find another one. And you can do this 5 times. There's the bell. Okay, that works for me. I'll go with that. Make this 175, maybe 180, and maybe 195. There we go. All right, so you get the name of the game here. I'm going to duplicate that 2 more times until I have a completed font library. Make sure to file, when you're finished with this document, file, save as PSD, because we need these layers. We're going to be grabbing these fonts individually later on and copying and pasting them. So save it as a PSD. Before you save it, make sure it's named font library. All right, and put that into your visual literacy folder, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, bye guys.